Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk with you about Mercury in Scorpio. And people with Mercury in Scorpio like to talk about the darker sides of life. They can enjoy talking about secrets and secrets of other people. They can enjoy researching something and digging deep to find the answers. They can dominate other people through having secret information. The secret information they have can be used as an advantage for them. They can oftentimes find information that other people can't find. People with this placement do great when they dig deep into the mysteries of occult sciences, and they can be really great investigative journalists. And they often know where to dig for answers and how far to dig, but sometimes they don't necessarily have all the details. And that's my analysis of Mercury in Scorpio.